Hi, my name is Simi and I'm a cookery teacher based in Bath. I try and cook plant-based food. And so what I thought I would do was introduce a few dishes which were plant-based, things that are familiar, delicious, nutritious, and just to give a different sort of perspective to the nutritional profile of the offering Wiltshire Farm Foods have. And we've worked hard with the team to make it authentic too, which is rather lovely. So one of the dishes that we'll be making very shortly is a chickpea apricot stew. And it is mellow, comforting and sweet and beautiful to look at. So that's very delicious. It's something very familiar for me from my Iranian background and my Welsh background. So in Wales we have something called lobscouse, and we eat a lot of lamb and dishes like that. So it's very similar to a lamb stew, except it's got a few aromatic spices and the sweetness of apricots. And in this case, because we didn't want to use lamb, we've used chickpeas, and they lend a beautiful texture and they look beautiful in the dish as well. The other thing, which is a massive favourite of mine, is sticky toffee pudding. And what we've done is there we have used plant-based ingredients to make something that's very familiar, but also on this occasion lower in sugar and nutritious. A normal sticky toffee pudding would have lots of butter in it and cream, and we've substituted those with soya-based products. And the sticky toffee pudding sauce, the caramel sauce, has no added sugar, it's just dates. And dates are very nutritious and have lots of minerals. So it kind of makes you feel a little bit better for eating more pudding. I think when the team tried it, especially as they were intrigued with it being plant-based, they all thought it was as good as a regular and normal sticky toffee pudding. So that went on the menu. And I'm really happy it has, because I love eating it.